Are you tired of mystery car issues and expensive trips to the mechanic? In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best OBD2 scanner tools that every car owner should have. These devices give you the power to diagnose engine, ABS, SRS, and more, all from the comfort of your garage. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these scanners will help you save time and money while keeping your vehicle in top shape. Let's break down the best options for comprehensive car diagnostics. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Launch X431 OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. The Launch X431 Elite Full System OBD2 Diagnostic Tool, the ultimate solution for professional car diagnostics. This advanced scanner provides full system coverage, including engine, ABS, SRS, and more. It's designed to work with all 1996 and newer OBDI-compliant vehicles, making it a versatile tool for mechanics and car enthusiasts alike. With the ability to read and erase codes, view live data, and perform ECU coding, this tool ensures accurate, real-time diagnostics. It also supports over 30 reset functions, including oil lamp reset and brake pad reset, essential for everyday maintenance. The Launch X431 Elite features auto VIN detection for quick vehicle identification and supports online updates for continuous improvement. Plus, it offers bidirectional control and active testing for deeper diagnostics. Second product on our list, Foxwell NT630 OBD2 Scanner. The Foxwell NT630 Plus wireless OBD2 scanner is a must-have tool for anyone serious about automotive diagnostics. It specializes in ABS, airbag, SAS, and SRS systems, offering extensive vehicle coverage and reliable fault diagnosis. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car owner, this tool is designed to simplify the process of identifying and solving problems. One standout feature is its ABS auto bleeding function. This helps remove air from the brake system, ensuring safer driving. Additionally, the SAS calibration ensures that the steering wheel angle sensor is calibrated correctly, clearing any faults in the process. It also performs bidirectional control tests, allowing you to actively test ABS and airbag components. With live data display, VIN reading, and lifetime updates, this scanner offers incredible value, all without the need for a subscription. The Foxwell NT630 Plus is an all-in-one solution for comprehensive diagnostics, with the added convenience of wireless functionality. Third product on our list, Ancel TD700 OBD2 Scanner. The Ancel TD700 OBD2 Scanner, the affordable solution for professional diagnostics. Perfect for Toyota, Lexus, and Scion, this multi-system scanner also works with other car brands, providing full engine diagnostics and much more. The TD700 supports OBDI engine diagnostics, helping you identify problems, clear engine lights, and pass emissions tests. It keeps your vehicle running smoothly, saving fuel and enhancing performance. Plus, it monitors the transmission system, alerting you to potential issues before they escalate. The TD700 also checks critical safety features like the airbag system and ABS. It clears airbag codes and ensures your braking system functions properly, preventing issues like wheel lockup during braking. This tool covers more than just engine checks. With support for TPMS, battery matching, AC system resets, and even steering angle calibration, it provides a comprehensive solution for all your car's diagnostic needs. Fourth product on our list, Launch X431 OBD2 Scanner. The Launch X431 Credit 529, the latest OBD2 scanner designed for DIY engine diagnostics. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, this tool is perfect for reading and clearing engine codes, and even turning off the check engine light. The Help button guides you with diagnostic tips and repair solutions for current error codes. No more wasting time searching online. Plus, the I/M Readiness button provides quick access to your vehicle's emissions system status. This scanner supports live data, freeze frame data, and even an oxygen sensor test, allowing you to identify faults quickly. It also reads VIN codes automatically, making diagnostics even easier. The onboard monitor feature gives you results after repairs or control module resets, ensuring everything is in top condition. With advanced functionality and easy-to-use features, the Launch CR529 is a game-changer in vehicle diagnostics. Fifth product on our list, Autophix OM126P OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. The Autophix OM126P is a powerful OBD2 diagnostic tool designed for accuracy and ease of use. Whether you need to scan and erase codes, monitor vehicle performance, or access detailed diagnostic data, this device delivers reliable results. Featuring a 2.4-inch TFT color screen, the OM126P provides clear and sharp readings. Its silicone keypad ensures smooth navigation through the diagnostic menus, making it user-friendly for both beginners and professionals. With multi-protocol compatibility, it works seamlessly with OBD2 and systems, supporting vehicles from 1996 and newer. This ensures wide coverage for various car brands and models. The enhanced OBD2 functionality includes O2 sensor and EVAP system tests, helping detect fuel efficiency issues and emission problems. This makes it a valuable tool for maintaining vehicle health.